morning to all. Welcome to Java ki Parsala. Today is going. I am going to discuss about primitive type of data conversion. Before the uh, before the video, I explain about literals, type of literals, and what is the default type of integer literals, floating point literals, character literals, and also boolean long. You can watch a previous video and get more knowledge. Today's topic is primitive data conversion. So whenever starting primitive data conversion, that there is question arises in mind. What is mean by conversion? What is mean by conversion? Basically, we said that conversion means the process of changing one type value to another type value is called conversion. Yes, the process of changing the process of basically the process of changing the process of changing the process of changing one type one type of value to another type of value is called type conversion or conversion is called type conversion. Okay, the process of changing one type value to another type is called conversion. What do you mean by one type to another type? Basically change one type of value to another type is giving an example that will briefly about what is one type value to another type. Here I declare int a equal to value 10. Here here a is a variable. What type? Int type, and value is a. Value is a. Okay, value is a. Whenever whenever I starting writing that, that means a variable created memory with value 10. A value created, okay, a value created with default value, sorry, with value 10. A default value 10, store 10. Okay, then I write, if I write now given type conversion, if I write declare a float f equal to, if a float equal to I, that means it is a type conversion. Int is a type of int type is converting to another type. Here a is one type, a is a integer type, a is a integer type, a is a integer type. Okay, a is a what type? A is a integer type, and f is the type what? Type is float. Here one type, here one type, int type equal to another type, integer type equal to float. This is called type conversion. One type value, here a is one integer value, is converting to another type, here is float. This is called type conversion. Okay, this is called type conversion. You can call it type conversion or anything else. Okay, and another thing I want to, then question arises in mind, how many type how many type of conversion, how many type of conversion, how many type of conversion. Okay, basically if you are thinking that how many type of conversion divided into two types, giving first one is type conversion divided into two types. One is implicit type conversion, another is explicit conversion. Okay, type conversion divided into two types. One is implicit type conversion and the explicit type conversion. Fine. Otherwise, we're called common type are given two types. Two types. One is implicit implicit type conversion or widening or you can call automation. You can call automation. One name type implicit conversion in another name widening or widening or automation. Explicit time conversion. Another one is second one is explicit time conversion. Explicit type conversion. It is also called casting or narrowing. It's called narrowing. Okay, there's two type of conversion. One is implicit conversion, another is explicit conversion. Basically, you know that conversion means converting one type value to another type value is called conversion. I give an example. And implicit, what is implicit conversion? Another is explicit conversion. Before starting the explicit type conversion, I want to give the ideas how implicit type conversion working. Before that, I want to give some thorough knowledge about it. Do you remember or not? Range. What is the range of byte? It's 1 byte. Remember. And character range is 2 byte. Okay. Integer range is 4 byte. And long range is 8 byte. Type float is 4 byte range. And double is 8 byte. This these six things you have remember that range. Then after that I am going to explain about implicit time convention wedding or automation. This is the same name, but we can call different ways. The range of byte is 1 byte, character is 2 byte, integer is 4 byte, long is 8 byte, and float is 4 byte. Okay, double is 8 byte. Okay. Then going to next part. What is mean by implicit time conversion, wedding or automation? I giving a heading. You also giving a side heading. What is automation? Or implicit type conversion, or you can call that wedding. Okay, you can call it wedding. In the in the automation in the automation source type in this type of conversion automation type conversion, source type is greater than equal to destination type. Here source type is greater than equal to destination type. Okay, source type equal to destination type. You have a doubt, what is source type, what is destination type? Declare int a equal to 20. Suppose if I declare int a equal to 20 in here, which one is the question arises in mind? Which one is source type range? Which one is destination type range? Okay. Today I am giving the explanations. First of all, I'll tell them what is source type and destination type. Basically, it is basically called as it is called as you can call basically we call source type range. Okay, and this int, the data type int, is called destination type range. Okay, source type, this is called 20. Declare after assignment is called source type, and this is called variable. Before variable is data type present, it is called destination type range. So we have to remember that what is the source type, what is destination type. As a first rule, we can mention it. What is source type, what is destination type. Okay. Any doubt you can ask me or anything else. Then another thing is the rule was if the source type is greater than or equal to destination type, then automation is possible. That means always source type value size is less than always less, and the destination type range is greater. In this type of automation it is possible. I given in this example 20 is a int type, is a value is 20, a variable value is 20. Okay, and size of int is size of int is 4 byte. Size of int is 4 byte. Okay, in another I want to do conversion. Okay, type automatic conversion and declare long l equal to a, long l equal to a. That means long is also destination data type. A is a what type data type? A is a int type int. A variable type is int. Here declare I declare. Okay. So in this type of we want to conversion auto conversion. In this type conversion or not, we have to find out here what is happening. Here happening first L value created 10 in variable value 10 value 10. Okay, value 10. Then what you have to do in this step, how it is convert automatically. In here long size is 8 byte. Long by size is 8 byte. So automatically this is 4 byte, this is 8 byte, this is 4 byte. Okay, a is 4 byte, a is 4 byte. So 4 can be converted into long. That means I have giving an example. Suppose there is two bottle, there is a two bottle of container. A is a container, and also another container is B. This is a container of B. Okay, A is the capacity of store 1 liter. A capacity store 1 liter water, and B is a capacity store half liter. What liter? Half liter. If you want to, we want to store in 1 liter bottle half liter water transfer. If you want to transfer the water present in B into a liter, it is possible. There is nothing loss. We can throw it into bottle A, or we can move it. It is easy. But if you want to transfer the water from A 1 liter to half liter, it is possible. But some water is lost or not, because its capacity is half liter. B capacity is half liter. So that there is possible is transfer water is possible, move water is possible, but there is some loss. There is some loss of water. So in this example, it's possible, but lots of in this example, A is long, A is long, having 8 byte, and int A is P. We can transfer water to B to A, possible, because there is no loss of water. But if you want to transfer water from A to B, half liter to 1 liter to half liter, there is possible of loss. We can lose the water, but it's possible. So that it is this destination is source type, we can transfer it, but loss of water. Okay, and second thing, fine. So if automatically getter range is present and it is long is present, A is is 8 4 byte, it is 8 byte. It always destination type is getter greater than source type. Then conversion is automatically present. Automatically we can possible possible to conversion. Okay. And in this type of conversion there is no loss of data, hence compiler compile the given class. This conversion is also called widening. This called also called widening. We can call this widening because it widening the format lowest range to highest range. Convert lowest range to highest range automatically. It's called widening because if you create destination variable with highest range data type, the size is increased to destination data type. Okay, this is called explicit implicity type conversion. We always explicit type conversion, always source type is greater than equal to destination type. You have to remember those things. Okay. Second thing is we have explicit explicit type conversion. In this type of conversion, perform time is conversions from highest string data type variable to lowest string data type by using you can use type casting. Okay, if I can use type casting, I have given you example, practical example. Suppose I open Edit Plus, I prefer Edit Plus. You have any application you can install. Basically, you write in Notepad. Suppose I create a class name A, and I have main method something I like write hello hi. Then if I declare int A equal to 10, it is compiled or not compiled? What do you think? It is compiled or not compiled? Yes, it is 100% compiled. First, we have to give the name. Okay, I want to compile. Yes, it is gives 3 error because of yes. Okay, if I want to compile, yes, it is compiled successfully, and also execute. It is give the output also high. If I want to convert auto conversion means suppose I declare long head equal to a. If I want to compile, it is successfully compiled and also execute also. This will execute given the output high. If I am giving suppose int a equal to long, suppose giving int a is equal to long and given the value of long 10. I have hide first command line this first line and to see that what is the answer. Int a is equal to a long. I declare first I declare int l is equal to 10. Long value first what is created? L created with value 10. With value 10. L is created with value 10. Okay. Then it is possible or not possible? It is source type. L is the source type. L is the source type and A is a destination type. A is a destination type. I write short form D as first according to first rule source type range is greater than equal to destination type range. Here source type is range high. Here source type is 8 byte and destination type is 4 byte. So when you try to compile, then what is happening? Any idea? When you want to compile, what is happening? As I given previous example, in short half liter water converted into we can move water into 1 liter bottle. But when you want to transfer 1 liter bottle water into half liter water bottle, then some data is lost. It is possible we can transfer the water, but there is some loss of water. In this type, same cases, same things happening. When you're trying to highest range data type, highest range, data type into lowest range means 8 byte and to transfer into 4 byte integer, then there is some loss of data. Compiler also say I want to compile. Yes, compile. Give an example. Properly they write incompatible type. Precision loss of conversation from long to end. Long to end. There is loss of data. Precision loss. This giving error. Precision loss. When I convert into long into long, there is precision loss. Loss of data. So what can you do? What is the solution to solve the problem? Yes, this is the solution. If we are doing explicit conversion, we can solve this problem. What is the explicit conversion? Performation type from highest data type variable to lowest data type variable using cast operator. We can convert. We can convert by using cast operator. We can convert this type of conversion. Give okay. If you do the type conversion, then we can do. We can convert. We can convert. Okay, fine. Write down the notes. What is performing conversion from highest range data type variable to lowest range data type variable by using cast operator is called explicity. Okay, and in this type, this type, in this type, the main question is where I place the cast operator. Where I place the cast operator. Where is place cast operator. Okay, then I will give the proper explanation where you are giving class operator. First, give how it is work. I given practical knowledge before the it is long. I want to long into int. So I have given the cast operator int here and I want to compile. Yes, it is compile. No compile time error. Also execute. In this here, we are telling that using cast operator, we are telling that compiler that value is stored that L value stored at L is with the range of int compiler allow to conversation is assume no need of data loss. We can say that compiler by doing the cast operator we inform the compiler that compiler I know there is some loss of data, but I want to like to loss of data, but show me those not lost data. So if there is loss of data, okay, it's okay, and they you can show me. Yeah. By using cast operator we can convert. Fine. I give an example, and in here in this conversation, okay, cast operator is placed after assignment operator. After the assignment operator, and before the source type. So, where suppose I declare int a equal to 10 before I declare long l equal to suppose 30. where you want to place, where you place the cast operator before the this is assignment operator, before the assignment operator and after the first step is simple. After this place we can place. In this type we have to declare like one bracket, then this type of convert long to int, like write int, simple write int, then close the bracket. This is type we can convert it. Okay, this is type conversion. And here int is called cast operator. It is called cast operator. Okay, then practically I have given second thing. Suppose I declare I like to comment those things. Yes, it is commented. Okay. Next example. Suppose I want to give some another example. Suppose I declare character a equal to 20 and I call int a equal to int b equal to a. Is compile or not compile? Also compile. There is no error. So, what is the basic? What is the basic? What is the basic rule? Basic the rule. What is the basic rule for the widening cast operator? I give you dramatically show that in this explicit conversation there is certain happening. I given the diagram. This is called narrowing, and if I have full diagram, this is called first one is widening, second one is narrowing. Here widening we can byte, byte can convert to short, short can convert to int, int can convert to long, long is converted to float, float can convert to double. In this series we can convert, but whenever we want to convert alternative way, byte, short, int, long, float, double, then 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 there is a error message coming. What is the error message? Precision precision loss precision, or okay, this is called precision loss of precision explanation. So we have, if you want to okay, if you want to if you want to explain more elaborately, then question is it any rule? Is it any rule the primitive type conversation? Yes, there is two rules in the primitive type conversation. What are the rules? The rules are: first rule I have already given. Source type and destination type must be compatible. Otherwise, compiler throw error. Incompatible type. The source type is source type is destination type is compatible. Is compatible. Then com- if if com- if not compatible, then compiler throw error. Okay. Rule one is, what is the rule one? The source type and destination type must be compatible. Otherwise, compiler throw error. Incompatible type. This is okay. Compiler to the incompatible type error. What is the rule two? Second rule is source type range should be most less than or equal to destination type range. Otherwise, compile to second error, possible loss of precision. Okay, there is two rule. If source type and destination type most compatible, then there is no error. If not compatible, then compile to error. Incompatible type and source type range should be most less than equal to destination type range. Otherwise, compiler throw error. This is precision loss of precision. Okay, write under the notes. This is source type range should be must be less than or equal to destination type range. Otherwise, compiler throw error. Okay, I want to be the practical. What is source type destination type must be compatible, otherwise compatible. I always prefer the practical, doing practical. It is the practical. I want to clear those things. Okay. I want to clear. Okay. And declare and I equal to 10. Okay. And I declare float f equal to f. Float is 10. Tell me that it is compile or not compile. Here is int is float. Yes, int and float. Yes, it is 100% compile. No, it is not compiled because of class is float. Okay, so it is not compiled. And another thing was, and here float f equal to a. That means it is a compile or not compiled. Yes, it is 100% compiled. It is compiled. There is no compile time error. If I declare another boolean to declare class level, I declare boolean boolean b equal to a equal to a. It is possible to convert or not convert? No, it is not convert. It is not compile. It throw the error incompatible type. In the incompatible type, it cannot convert to boolean because int is a is 4 byte, boolean is, so that it is not incompatible. Okay. And second example. So the source type must be range equal to restriction type range. Second, source type range should be must be less than equal to restriction type range. Others compile through error. With the practical of this, I float, declare float, sorry, declare float f1 equal to 10. Another declare float f2 equal to f1. I want to compile. This compile. Okay. If I declare, if I declare f3, f3 is equal to f2. Yes, it is 100% compile. Sorry, it is compile. There is no error. Suppose if I want to declare int I equal to f1, then here is float, here is decimal right end. So in this case there is not, because reason that float range is range or size is range is size is okay, float size is, we can write also the range size, float size is 4 byte and integer size is 4 byte. But there is a question, those size is same, those same is same, but why it not convert? Giving a pictorial view in this format, in this format, in this format. Yes, int is here, float is here. We can convert int to long. Okay, long to float. But if you want to do, if you want to float to int, float to int, but there is no conversation, so we cannot convert. So that give compile time error. Okay. In this direction possible. This is a question. If I compile byte, convert byte to int possible, int to byte also possible, because there is exception case I given to the next videos. But first of all, know that in this way it is possible. In this way it is possible This direction also possible to convert. If double value assigned to float, not possible conversion. Float to long, not possible, but possible that can into long. Suppose I declare int a equal to L, possible, but range should be source type is lesser than to destination type. Here is destination type, this source type. Okay, those things possible. Okay, so what is the cast operator? Cast operator type that must be compatible with source type, else it leads to the compile type invocable type, and also it should be compatible with destination type, else leads to incompatible type, and also the range must be get the from destination type range, so leads possible not so professional. Okay, you have to remember two rules and look the practical, so it will be helpful to you. Okay, this is what. Thank you for watching today. This is for today. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Good night.